The first step is to open the Start menu and type Troubleshoot Settings in the search bar. Then select Additional Troubleshooters. After that, choose Windows Update, and then run the troubleshooter. Step 2. Open the Start menu and type Services. Once it's open, locate the service named App Readiness and open it. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click Start. And finally, click OK. Locate Windows Update and open it. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click Start if it's not already started, and finally, click OK. Keep selecting Windows Update, and then restart the service. Stay in Services and look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Repeat the same steps. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click Start if it's not already started, then click Restart the service. Step 3. Open the Software Distribution folder on your computer. Navigate to the C drive, then the Windows folder, followed by Software Distribution, and finally, the Download folder. Delete all its contents. Navigate to the System 32 folder on your computer. Then navigate to the Caroot 2 folder. Delete all its contents. Step 4. Open the Start menu and type Notepad. Open the link in video description and select all the text. Copy the text and paste it into Notepad. Save the file by selecting Save As. Change the Save As type to All Files and add .bat at the end of the file name. Navigate to where you saved the file. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. The file will run automatically, which may take some time. Step 5. Go to Windows 10 download page. I will leave the link in video description. Then scroll to create Windows 10 installation media and press Download Now and run it. Click Next. The tool will begin downloading. When it finishes, accept the license terms. Then choose Upgrade my PC now and press Next. Wait for the tool to find all updates. Here are important settings. Leave these settings if you want to keep your files and settings. You can change them if you want. Press Install. And it will begin installing. This may take some time to finish, and the tool will restart your PC to finish installing updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. See you in the next video.